And then, since this is a cave, I am going to cover this part here, dark color, because I will just cover everything first. Okay, I'll put some white because this part with the sun. Some highlights, so it should be orange one. Yellow, if you have Resena, you can use Resena, but for now we can use orange because we are using limited colors. Let's use red and yellow and white. A little yellow, and then I'm gonna put my wave here. There's also a wave here because it's and then the other wave, because there's a rock here, huge rock, and then there's a rock here on the side, another wave, and then here there will be foams of water. There are also some waves there in the distance. And then I'm gonna use this umber, so I'm gonna put a rock here. And then I'm going to create transparency in the water. So I'm gonna use this green, yellow, and blue, or something like blue, green, and white. And then here, I'm gonna make it dark. And of course, the reflection of this water, I'm gonna make it more bluish dark. Or just purple, you can use. Just the reflection of this one. You can also put some white foams here, everywhere. But not so much, because I think this part will be a little not so. I need to put some white reflections. Yeah, and then I'm gonna use this yellow with white. This one I'm gonna make some light on the foams. There. Okay, I will try to change a little here, everyone. I'm gonna make it like pinkish or purple, and I'm gonna use a bigger brush. Yeah, you just have to shade it softly like this. Yeah, I want to darken some parts, so this raw umber and blue. Now this part is still hit by the sun, so it will be lighter.